Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I will be showing you how to bridge to Starknet. It's easy to get this done. All you need to do is head over to the official bridge of Starknet, which is the Stargate bridge. And now in order to make use or interact with this bridge, you're going to need to have an account in the MetaMask wallet. You're also going to need to have an account on the Argent X wallet or any wallet like Bravos or Argent X that supports the Starknet. So guys, simply scroll down and open up your MetaMask wallet. Once you've opened up your MetaMask wallet, Once you've opened up the MetaMask wallet, make sure your account has been set up properly. You can also open up your Argent X wallet. That's the Argent X, it's a Starknet wallet. You could easily open this up to make sure it's been set up properly. So guys, with that in mind, once the Argent wallet has opened up, make sure it's been set up properly. And with that in mind, all you need to do is head back to the Stargate bridge. And then we're going to be bridging from the Ethereum mainnet to the Starknet. So click on Connect Wallets. And by selecting Connect Wallet, you're going to be connecting your MetaMask account to your Argent X wallet. So click on Get Started. And now, as you can see here, we have the MetaMask for the Ethereum chain, and we also have Argent X. So click on MetaMask, and the pop-up to connect to the platform comes in. All you need to do is approve of this connection. So to do this, select the account you wish to use for this process and simply click on Next. So click on the Next option to connect your MetaMask account to the platform. So click on Connect once more, and you'd find that your connection to the Stargate bridge has been approved and it's successful. Alright guys, now your next step would be to connect Stark Wallet. So click on Connect Stark Wallet and your Argent X wallet would be opened up. So click on Argent X. Alright guys, and once your Argent X wallet opens up, click on the Connect option and you would have successfully connected your Stargate wallet, which is the Argent X, to the Stargate bridge. And now all you need to do is simply click on Continue, taking into account how much Ethereum you have in your wallet. Click on Continue, scroll down, and you also have a look at how much Ethereum you have on your Starknet wallet. So click on Continue once more, and now you could easily bridge your funds from the Ethereum network using your Ethereum wallet over to the Starknet network and receiving them on the Argent X wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can bridge to Starknet.